Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Ciara Victoria, and for today's video I'll be doing an unboxing of my new baby. I got a new MacBook Pro and I'm really excited about this because my last laptop was fried. It was fried. I had a MacBook Pro. It was like a 2020 model, the one with the touch bar. And the touch bar was so cute. I can't even lie, it was a vibe. It was so cute. Like I had little emojis that would run across it. But my laptop had the most basic specs and it completely fried. Everything was kind of running really slow. It just wasn't really powerful. And the laptop basically gave out on me, which is why I really couldn't edit videos. And you know, like I couldn't really have that drive because my machine wasn't functioning the way that I needed it to. So I'm just super excited, super blessed and grateful for this. Shout out to my man. Thank you to my man. The reason why I got the newest model is because I heard a lot of really great things about this M3 chip and that, you know, no other device is really up to par with that type of speed and efficiency in a laptop. I'm really excited to experience the performance of this. I do intend on editing 4K videos. I'm just really excited to start utilizing this laptop. And I know a lot of people feel like the 16-inch is too big. My thing is, I felt like I could be okay with it as long as I get the most out of the screen. So that was the biggest thing for me. It's nothing for me to hold in my hand. I kind of do that with my work laptop. The screen thing, the size, it wasn't like the most determining factor. For me, it was the health. So I maxed it out. I have the specs here. So it's the Apple M3 Max chip with 16-core CPU, 40-core GPU, 16-core neural engine, 128GB of unified memory, 8TB SSD storage, 16-inch with the Liquid Retina XDR display. I also got Final Cut Pro built into it. My intent is to edit 4K videos. I really want to get back into the YouTube flow because it was something that was very peaceful for me. I named him Midnight already. I got the black model and we're gonna just open it and see it. I'm doing too much talking. I just want to also clarify, this is a super informal unboxing video. This is the part that people love. And yes, I'm a Libra. I am a Libra. Okay. Oh my goodness gracious. I like want you guys to see the moment of truth right now in a sexy way. I'm gonna do the laptop last, but you saw I just took it out the box. So it comes with this black, it broke, the box broke. Anyways, it comes with this black charger and then it's like a manual. I wonder if the stickers are black too. I feel like Apple tends to like include stickers. I was told that this is like an exclusive color. I don't know, like we're gonna run with it. I personally like the black. Even my iPhone, it's the black iPhone. And then it comes with the power adapter. I did not do that very. Maybe it's just me, I'm very big on aesthetics. It would have been so fire if this were also black. That's just me being like picky with the aesthetic. If this were black, it just would have done it for me. It would have been the icing on the cake. So I'm gonna put this to the side. And then, I'm just like, when I was moving it with one hand to the side, I'm not gonna lie you guys, that thing was heavy. It was really heavy, but here it is. It's huge. I have the previous laptop before. It's huge. It's heavy. It's actually very, very heavy. But I'm sure over time I'll get used to it. Ooh. Let me stop. I'm gonna be at this desk just... I'm busy. So enough of that. I'm going to literally just... Okay, so do you see it in the lighting? It looks black there. Interesting. It's really pretty. It's interesting the way the light hits it, how it kind of like reflects. This is everything that it came with. The laptop, the power adapter, and the charger. Apple went back to like this old school charger. I honestly did not know this. I'm going to open it. Oh my goodness. Oh!
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Hi, I'm Siri. Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can
Yeah?
change the operating system settings.
I'm in here. I'm getting ready to leave. I just need to set up my laptop. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. So, disclaimer, I completely ran out of my footage, but I just wanted to show you guys the case that I got for my laptop on top of the setup that I had going on for it. I still have the display. This video has been a little long overdue, but with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching my video. You could give this a thumbs up as well as hit that subscribe button. I will greatly appreciate it. I will be uploading many more videos to come in the near future. I'm thinking about uploading videos on Mondays. And yes, I look so forward to seeing you guys in my next video. I am out of here. Thank you again.